So what we have here is an example of a private 5G network that is connecting devices in a warehouse setting. We want to show a couple of use cases. One that is happening today, that enterprises are using today for business ROI, and another that's kind of at the tip of the iceberg right now. So what we have here is a autonomous mobile robot with a tethered drone. It does autonomous inventory scanning in a warehouse. And so this is a process that has a lot of business ROI for enterprise organizations that need to expedite their scanning and also improve accuracy of the scanning. The data gets fed from a 5G router into the enterprise warehouse management system, and the data gets aggregated with the Snowflake platform with other warehouse data like ERP systems and things like that. And that's something that's happening today that requires really good coverage, consistent 5G coverage to support that type of use case. What we have here is a humanoid robot that is kind of at the tip of the iceberg. Like I said, this is a use case that is being remotely controlled today, doing a highly repetitive task like picking up a box and moving it from here to there over and over again. It could be good for manufacturing, for warehouses. Our partners at Indro Robotics, they are teaching this humanoid to eventually be autonomous, which is going to have high value for enterprise businesses. So that's sort of a future-looking use case. And this other use case is one that's happening today. And these are just a couple examples of the type of mobility-dependent use cases that are highly effective for a private 5G network and help organizations get real-world success immediately so they can then start scaling for the future with their private 5G network infrastructure.